What's up, soil brothers and soil sisters? Welcome to another episode of What's in Our Freeze Dryer? Well, if you know us, something. So, you ever get sick and tired of buying onion powder? How about we freeze dry some onions, which my husband loves, see if we can make onion powder. How fresh will it be? Let's see if I can make you cry. Alright, soil fam. So, y'all know my husband loves onions and I don't so much. But we love to cook with them. So I was wondering, hey, now we have this freeze dryer. Maybe we should freeze dry onions and powder. That way you don't have to worry. I mean, onions normally don't go bad in our house, but this way we don't have to worry about it, right? I'm thinking. So I'm just gonna rough chop these, not, anything special, or slice them, or whatever. Just cut them down a little bit. Alright, y'all, so we got a new plan.
SoilFamily, and now we know they take a seed, make it grow. Blacktropicalhomestead, Savannah's own family. There was a man, he had a plan. His name
That's
was
just how you slice onions.
He met this girl.
Alright, fam. So we got onions going in. My husband sliced this morning for us.
Blacktropicalhomestead, a place to SoilFamily. Now we know they take a seed and make it grow.
Alright. So we have to load trays and freeze dry them. Slow trays out. Right, fam. So our freeze dryer is saying it's done. As you all know, I've mentioned before, my husband loves onions. Love onions. So I said, and me not so much, but I thought maybe if we powder fresh onions, we'll see. So I got my blender. They are nice and crispy. I'm gonna try this. Nice and crispy. Alright, so we got our onions in our Ninja. The top on. Let's pray for some onions, y'all. Let me tell y'all something. I will never, as long as I got this freeze dryer in my life, purchase onion powder, garlic powder, or pepper. Anything we can grow, I will never purchase this stuff anymore. Oh my goodness, y'all. We have powdered our own onions. I mean, I can't say I can't believe it, but and it smells like onions. Like, I really don't smell the onion when we purchase onion powder or something from the store. I don't really smell the onion. This, I can smell the onion. It's pretty nice. Now, the freeze drying process does take time, but Is it worth it? To me, I think it is. To be able to have fresh items, whatever it is, lock in that freshness, to me is worth it. You know. Let me get my container. All right, Soil Fam. So, like I said, this is a season all container. I just saved it, but I am super pleased with this onion. Oh my God, powdered onion. 4 trays, medium sized trays, fit inside of one 35-ounce container. I am super pleased with this. Super fine, smells delicious, amazing. But hey, we don't have to buy powdered onion for a long time, because I'm gonna keep on powdering my own onion. So with that being said, I'd like to thank you for joining me on another episode of What's in Your Freeze Dryer. I mean, we put a lot of stuff in our freeze dryer so far, but what's going in there next? Because we gotta keep it moving, y'all. This just make me want to do more. Yeah, not seasonal. Onion powder. Get with it. So, don't forget to click that thumbs up. Share this out to a friend or two, or maybe even 10. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.